introduction to Opti system. And for your reference, my name is Amandeep and I'm a product manager in this company and looks into all the R&D setups for SARC region. So we will go through the Opti system and its applications, then introduction to optical system design principles, and some of the basic features and interface of Opti system. Now, as a very basic definition, you can explain it in this layman definition, like what is light wave communication or optical communication. Optical communication, also known as optical telecommunication, is a communication at a distance using light to carry information. In simple words, it can be performed visually or by using electronic devices. See, in actual criteria, optical communication is related to the light, and light means the fastest medium to transmit or receive the signal. So 3 into 10 raised to power, like the speed of light, and like nothing is more powerful or more speeder than this speed of light. So in this sense, optical means light will act as a carrier, and whatever the message you want to send, so you can send it using modulation, using that light, and transmit it using a transmitter. A communication channel could be a fiber or a wireless communication devices like free space optic devices or telescopes. And at a receiver, you can use pin photodiode, avalanche photodiode, and so on. So you must have heard about pin photodiode. Basically, it will absorb the signal. It will absorb the light. Means whatever the data is transmitted through a communication channel and received at a receiver. So this will be a optical in nature. And once the optical data strikes on this receiver, or you can say the pin will absorb and convert it into electrical signal. So that will be an output signal. So I hope I'm not fast. You can understand it like in a better way. You can ask me questions. Now, for example, the below is the GIF, a communication between Earth and Mars. Now, Mars and Earth are communicating with each other, means we have transmitters and receivers available on both Earth and Mars. And the medium which this communication is using is radio frequency, RF, or you can say RF over optical communication. Means both the points, point A and B, that is Earth and Mars, they have their respective transmitters and receivers. They transmit the data using RF signal or optical signal precisely, because its nature is very fast and there is very less delay. Means the latency will be less, the time delay will be less, and the data you are transmitting will be efficient, means you can get the proper signal. So in that case, there are further terms like eye height, intersymbol interference, and your bit error rate, your quality factor. So these are some of the proper parameters which should be taken care when you are elaborating or maintaining a communication channel between two stations or multiple stations. First one is bit error rate, second is quality factor, and third one is eye height, or you can say the eye diagram. It should have a proper eye height. So these are some of the proper parameters. Apart from it, you can also learn about signal to noise ratio or optical signal to noise ratio. So whatever the terms I am telling you right now,